The difference between a funnel and a website.
I'll break it down like this.
A website is a brochure.
It's got this menu of options, right? It's like, literally, there's like a menu.
Look at all these things, look at all these articles, look at all these podcasts, look at all these different tabs that they have.
Websites like, here's a bunch of stuff, good luck. And
there's so much information and they can't really find exactly what they need for their journey.
Like, websites just have really crappy conversion rates, and the average conversion rate is like 2 to 3%.
you can't live off of that.
A website is completely number one for your mother. But if you want to do money, show me the money. It's with funnel.
It's still a website, but instead of like having this menu of choices, they're either gonna click the button to do what you want them to do, the next step, or they're gonna leave.
Oh, I'm kind of interested. I'm gonna go a little more, and I'm gonna go a little bit more.
And fewer people take the next action, and out of the bottom, those are the people who become your diehard fans. And it's called a funnel because it's bigger at the top than it is at the bottom.
It's like a map. You follow from point A to point B.
They make people feel like there's an intentional, careful process where they're connected, they're guided.
Our funnels consistently convert anywhere from 15 to 40%.
You can't pay your bills by website views, right? You have to pay your bills through purchases, and websites don't make purchases. Websites, I think they're a waste of money.
Funnel, show me the money. Website, hey mama, look at my website.